Hey guys, we are at where we at, dude? Koreatown, where we love them, Koreans. Hajima. Where we at, Rishon? Empress. Empress.
We're in the US right now. Guys, we're in New York right now.
We're in New York. New York. I'm just gonna goof around, probably go to the library, get some food, and what? Ask people some random questions.
Restaurant's toast line, and we eat the food, and then we put the food inside the tote bag so no one can see that you have food in it. Because we couldn't go to the main entrance because we have food. Just bring Rachel's tote bag so we can put it in there. Damn,
She's bad.
Shh. Stay with that.
Hurry, I'm gonna bite your fucking cookie.
Hurry up before we eat your cookie.
Wait, you. Hold one.
You ready to see some shit? Ready?
Hurry! Oh! Hurry the fuck up! Go around.
Okay.
Go back. No, come here. Jude. I bought you. Oh my god. Guys, they're fighting over the food I bought them.
Wait, you said a bite, right? Open your mouth, boy. Close your eyes. Yo, you're gonna give me that piece of paper, bro. Yeah, I am not. Close your eyes. Yo, we had a whole 6 minutes. Close you. 5. 4. 3. I feel it, bro. What the fuck is that?
Yo. Quick, pick that up after. Okay. Oh shit. I have your attention.
May I have your attention?
What are you saying, Jude?
What?
Wait, where are we going? Hey. English or Spanish? English or Spanish? First one to move is gay. Womp.
Oh no. Wait, how long should it be for? Week and that mean?
She's already moving, she's gay.
Next person.
Wait, ask him the question. Ask him the question.
Why don't we just go here and ask people the question?
Yeah, no, just cross then. Reminds me. Just tell them, please, guys,
Calling you
please,
guys a bitch.
please
He said
comment.
that.
Please comment on what we should do.
I called him a lazy ass bitch. Watch, one comment from Aaron. Connor should go kill himself.
Nah, we can just ask. We asked the group chat. What we're gonna do.
When you subscribe, channel, Connor kill himself.
Bro, I just kill yourself. Jump off the CN Tower.
Carl will stop eating now.
I lose 100 pounds by the end of the year. Now we're thinking about something. We can record this something big. You know, big. I won't even match my shit. Yo, Jude, the switch. Dude, the switch.
Oh, I can't.
Oh, you just ruined the footage, bro.
It's okay. No, just think. They won't know. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, just bleep it out.
Beep his name out.
Alright, so go on.
Fuck.
What?
Fairview.
Yo, I'm talking about the wings, bro. We ain't bring that shit up, dog.
This guy brought my favorite for no reason.
What's wrong with you? I feel like she knows that she's getting chased.
Oh, this guy scared her. Oh no.
Oh, she's walking away. She's walking away. She's walking away.
Come over here, come over here. Wait, I'll just bring it.
Dude's talking.
It's so obvious.
What the hell's that haircut, bro? What the fuck? Okay, wait.
Wait.
No, dude. Did he get it?
I don't know. That's
Did he get it?
She's like 30.
Did you lie?
No. I'm like, how?
Tell us the whole convo.
30.
What'd you say?
First one to move is gay. Who's gonna move first? Him? Who's gonna move first? Him? Oh. Jude, you won. He moved.
You fuck with that gay shit.
You can't post this.
Look at us, Kyle.
You're so funny.
Make me sick.
Yo, hello, guess what?
Huh?
Guess what?
What?
Make me lose my
Fuck Jay Sean.
Remember the time, like one of our past videos, like I was over there. Bro, I said please stop recording.
Put the finger away.
I don't know you.
Sir.
I don't
Yeah.
And I said like Carl like said, sir, did you see me?
Did you hear that? He's first one to move is gay.
Oh, you're gay.
Wait, you actually.
Give me this.
Bro, you can see his more. Yours is white. It'll sting.
No, it's gonna stain, bro. It's tea. It's gonna show out.
Shit, that might stain his too.
That's not. That's just.
I just got it.
That could stain.
I see to get water. Just put it. You just gotta wash it. AirPod. No, who I am? What? Touchy. Look. I'll lick that off your finger, bro. Dude, my AirPod. Oh my God.
Yo. So stupid.
I take it back.
No, even already stained my shit.
You guys are so stupid. You guys are actually. Oh, that should give me like the. Fuck, bro. Take your damn phone.
Look at your butt. Coin flip it.
Coin flip?
Coin flip it.
Coin. Backflip. If I land my backflip, then
Choose heads or tails. Tails I stay in.
heads.
Tails I stay in, heads I don't.
I win. What'd you lick it? Wait, don't. No, it.
Wait, I'm not gonna do the shake. You didn't shake it.
No, you licked your
You didn't
hand.
shake it, you
Other
didn't
hand, other hand.
No, I
Other-
can't. Other hand stick.
Other
Shake,
hand.
shake, That's shake.
Stop!
Shake.
Stop!
Shake.
You're actually nasty, bro.
Shake.
You licked your finger.
No,
Stop.
you're shaking with the right. Oh, you're.
In his hand if you don't move. You're gonna leave that up there. It's not kidding.
Wait, I like this one too.
I spit on this one too. Alright guys, we'll see you on the beach on Friday.
Shut the fuck up.
How do you pick up the phone?
Oh shit, what's that?
Oh fuck, it's the allegation we can't fucking beat. Been to the beach, but I'll do it again. Yo, we at the beach with AWP. We're missing Jude though. We couldn't finish the group. Strike. Strike two. Oh, JJ, run! Quick! I got you. I delay him. See him. Run to me. Look at him. Look how beat you. Hey, going. Where's your white beater going? Where's she? We can do awesome. Oh shit. I got hit in the head. Alright, let's go. 3-2 count. What was it? 2-2 count? Outside.
Throw it in.
Oh my god.
That's a ball, bro.
He used it all, bro. He's camera shy, super shy. I might have to take a timeout, bro. I took out 3 guys already.
Pitcher's timeout, bro.
Pitcher. Bro, get the fuck out the way. Hey.
Throw it in, bro. Keep it in.
Yo, you're throwing off my timing, bro. That's gotta be a ball.
That's out, bro.
You're messing up my timing, bro. Just throw it. He's throwing up my fucking timing. You see this shit?
In, man.
Alright, go. No, it's a ball. What the fuck?
That's high.
That's what he did. I'm smoking
all
all
3 of them.
I'm smoking all 3 of them. Get it! Get the fucking ball! Get the fucking ball! Uh-oh! Go! After. So me and you? Me and Carl. Come on, Glorian. Well, you're not me. That's 1. Bro, I'm so dirty, bro. Oh shit. That's a strike. What the fuck? Nah, bro. You got your ass in the water. Second shot. Hey! Nah, stay first. Yo, what? Stop! Now you're over there, you do. How much? This is for my girlfriend, Kachel. Nah, chill, you gotta edit that out. She's gonna get mad at me. Don't put that in. She's gonna get mad at me. What? Nah, don't worry. You'll see in the video. That's okay. We're being at Sandcastle while they're looking for a missing kid. He's 7, bro. There's no way he can be passed out. Master Key. Oh, job never finished. Wait, give me. That's ours. Wait, that is ours. Yeah, I know. We got the crab. Oh, we should get Mr. Crab over here and then the fish over here. I bet.
We're almost there. I think.
No. Yo, you have a bucket, right? Just fill it with water right now.
Oh yeah.
I'll do.
Hey, they found the kid. But we're still building Sandcastles. Yo, they say the kid was 7. The kid doesn't look 7, bro.
Yeah.
He's not wearing fucking green shirt.
He's an orange, buddy.
He said orange.
He's not even wearing orange, bro.
Where's red?
Hey, we're not winning.
Delivery.
This is basically like AWBB allegations. We're not winning. We're not winning. I heard someone talking shit.
Oh, it's fucking big. Ah, it's cold. Ah!
Yo, the other one.
I was
The other, I bet. The other one's in my bag. Glorian. I haven't taken off my tank top yet, bro. Glorian. That's the difference. What the fuck? Come on.
That's how you shit, yo.
I'll go in a bit. Okay. Damn. That's so. I'll put this back.
Oh, brother. What's wrong with you? Why are you beefing with the... Nah, look. He give me a side eye. Why are you beefing with the seagulls? Plans that I be making. Cash this bitch. Cash this one. This one. Bro, we need to wash up, bro. I'm full of sand. I'm not belly fat. Watch. I'm not belly fat. Hold this. Why'd you record like that? You giving it to me like that. Yo, I got look. Yo, I got boobies. Yo, crap. I'm camping in the water. Yo, stop pushing me. Ow, I got the crab. My toes. Yo. Look at that view, guys. Now, I'm keeping that in because, like, that hurts. Like, I'm red on the right side. Look. Bro, on your necks, you have the belly flop on these.
Huh?
You have the belly
No! I got my wisdom tooth in my... Oh. Is that his JT?
flop.
Are you recording? Yeah. Do it again.
One more time. I'm really rigged.
It's a better angle.
He'll get it. I did it. You have to do it.
Rock, paper, scissors.
If you do it, I'll do it.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No, I already did it. So if he does it now, I'll do it.
Oh, okay.
know it.
Where'd you do it? Like, there?
Right here in the shallow part, bro.
Oh, you're still...
Yeah, I'm not trying to do that shit.
Alright,
Alright, you
so
have to run a bit out and then
do it
jump.
down there. Oh.
You have to do it because I did it. What he's gonna do?
That was not.
This is the best. End it. End the video. Bye, guys.